How to install your fasteners in your Milwaukee nailer. To install fastener strips, step 1, warning, remove battery to avoid starting the tool. Battery is not inserted. 2, always point the tool away from yourself and others when installing fasteners. Failure to do so could result in injury. It's pointed in that direction. 3, press the push or release button and slide the magazine open. Is this it here? Yes. Push the press or release button. Make sure you're using the right size. This is an 18 gauge nailer. We've got 18 gauge nails. The heads of the nails will be on top. They're going to be the longer part. Shows to place them in here. Place the tip of the fasteners into the bottom slot of the magazine, then lay the fasteners flat against the magazine. Heads must fit into the grooves. Here's the heads. They're in the grooves, see? 4, slide the magazine closed.